So my mom thought while she's here, she could show me some leaves that can benefit with our health, right? Um, and she wanted to show me some leaves that could cure waist pain, veggie itches. Like she also knows leaves that if you are about to give birth, leaves that to make your baby come quickly. And she wanted to show me a lot of leaves. And because we have changing of seasons here, the time she came, we weren't having enough green leaves, right? So the leaves are coming now back slowly, slowly. So she wanted me to go with her around so that she will show me whether if she finds something, she will show some of them to me if it is possible. So we went ahead and do the search. Hey boss, welcome back. Today is another beautiful video, right? Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time coming across this channel. So today, as I said earlier, my mom wanted to show me some healthy leaves, but we couldn't find us. We went to search for it because the greens are now coming back, right? And she thought, okay, there are some things she could also show me in the house. So she saw we were having pineapple in the house, and I was about to throw those skins, and she was like, no, 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 don't throw them away. This is one of the ingredients I could also show you. Take those skins, I will show you how you can do it. So and then I started washing them. So I washed them like twice. And pineapple, and she was like, pineapple shell are very beneficial, right? They have vitamin C, which build overall immunity of the body. And she was also having some body pain. So she said it will be good for all of us to drink it because it is very good for our body, right? And she said this can fight bacteria, help cough and cold. If you feel like you are feeling cold, it can also help the skin. It can help with teeth bone. It can help your vision. It can help your digestive. It can help your joint pain. Like, in fact, it is, she said it is overall immune booster, right? So I went ahead and said, okay, then it will be our tea for this evening because it was in the evening when I was doing it. And as we were taking the dessert, so I took it like evening tea, right? So I went ahead and washed it twice because the skin is always exposed, so it is good to wash it. And this is the skin we are about to boil and drink, right, as tea. So I went ahead and wash it twice, then boil it for at least, you can choose to boil it like that. But if you have any particular health condition and you want it to help you, as I did in this particular video, because she was having body pain and I was having stomach pain, so it was a good moment, good time to do this remedy, right? So I went ahead and take this portion of ginger and cut it into pieces and added it to it, right? So aside the skin, I will be adding 3 more ingredients, right? And this is if you have any particular health condition and you would like to drink the pineapple shell drink, right? Then you can add these 3 ingredients. Otherwise, you can also boil this pineapple shell alone. Just add water to it and then boil it, then drink. But if you have something you would like to fight for, you can just add these 3 ingredients. They are also very beneficial. As I was having stomach pain and my mom body pain, and yeah, I also give it to hubby because hubby is trying to fight for the weight loss. But in this case, if you want to use it for weight loss, you are not going to add these ingredients. You are going to rather add lemon, right? So at this point, I added my ginger already, and I'm going to add 2 more cinnamon sticks, right? I'm going to add 2 more cinnamon sticks. So I took 2 because they are middle big. If you have a big one, you can add 1 big, but if you have the small ones, you can put 2 small, as I did in this video. And then I added a bit of cloves. For those who don't know gloves, these are cloves. They are all very good for our immune system, right? They all can fight bacteria, any pain you have in your body. Just try it out, guys, and you will tell me. I drink this, and I can assure you that my stomach pain, I was having a deep stomach pain that I was having. If you watch my previous video, I said in that previous video I wasn't feeling well, and that was the stomach pain I had. So this medicine helped me a lot. And as I said, if you have any particular health condition, when you are drinking it, just drink it as your daily water, right? You can also drink water, but I prefer that anytime you feel like drinking water, you should just drink it. So I added 2 liters of water to it, so that we were all drinking it. It wasn't for one person. And after I left it boil for like 20 minutes before I serve it. So when you boil it 20 minutes, wait for it to also cool down before you drink it. Don't drink it too hot. It is our system, so too hot is also not good. So drink it when it is like warm, right? So you let it cool down a little bit. Drink it like you drink a normal tea. So I boil it like for 20 minutes, and yeah, I let it cool down a little bit, and then I went ahead and serve it. So as I was saying, it is very good if you want to use it for any particular health condition. Yeah, you can add these ingredients, but if you want to use it for weight loss, add lemon. If you want to drink it also like that, like just for a tea every day, you can just go ahead and boil it without putting anything, just water. So after I have served, you can see how the tea looks like. Very good. Like you see the color of that. Oh, I was amazed. And you can choose to add honey to it. Yeah, you can also choose to drink it like that. We drank it like that because we didn't need to add any sweetness, but you can choose to add any sweetness or any sweetness of your choice, right? So we drank it like that. Now I'm going to serve my family. The kids were excluded because they were asleep, but normally when I'm doing some home remedy, I also share it with my kid, because we never know. Sickness doesn't give an appointment, right? And if you have any particular health condition, please, and you don't know whether you are allergic of this, just ask your doctor, right? Please don't drink something when you don't know how it will react in your body. So I serve my mom here, and I'm now going to serve my boss, my partner, and everything. So I'm going to, what I like in my hobby is, like any home remedy I do, whether it is herbs or it is leaves or anything I do that I ask him to drink, if it is healthy and beneficial, he will just drink it. So yeah, very good healthy tea, right? Cheers to you all. You are all invited. Try it home, guys. It is cheap and healthy. I assure you, my stomach pain was all gone, and my mom was feeling very good the following day, she told me. And after I have served, I added another water for the next day, right? For the following day. Yeah, so that's it. So this is the video I wanted to share with you guys today, and I put a cheers to you guys. Yeah, it was quite good, quite tasty, and yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned until we meet in my next video. Love you all, guys. Mwah.